Here we go with the third activity. Third activity is very interesting and I'm sure my kids love to do the tractor painting. So I put a paper on the table, but my suggestion to all parents that if you will do it on the floor, the kids will enjoy more and more. Just put the construction paper on the floor and make the tracks. Let's make the tracks. You can use the white paper even on the floor and they will love to. One. Here is a one track. So I have a small table. Oh, sorry for my rough track. So I made the three tracks. So number 1, 2, and 3. So you can use the tractor, you can use the small tractor, big tractor, whatever is available at home. Let's start with the big tractor. So we need the brown color paint. I'm sure the boys especially will love it to do this one, tractor painting. So now let's start the painting on the track. Zoom, 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 zoom. Wow, look at. Yes, now let's do the paint with small tractor. Even for the small tractor, you can dip it, okay? Dip it. Okay, let's do this now. Okay, I'm sorry. Zoom, zoom. Oh, wow. Wow, wow. You can, wow, it's so, do you like it? I'm sure the kids will love it to do this tractor painting. Kids, are you ready to do the tractor painting? Yes, we are ready. Let's go do it and show it to Mr. Da. Take care. Bye-bye, kids.